Good afternoon, my guys. Today I'm telling now about Germany. Germany is located Central Europe, surrounded by 9 countries. Government, Republic, Federal Republic. Government is Federal Republic, and official name is Federal Republic of Germany. Capital of Germany is Berlin. Currency of Germany is Euro. The rivers of Germany are Rhine, Main, Danube, etc. Germany is a very nature beauty country. Its people can speak in German language. Population, the figure of population 80 billions 457 thousands 737 ones, and the area of Germany is 134. I am telling the figure, okay, 134 38 sorry 134,838 square miles. Okay, again I am telling the capital of Germany is Berlin, and currency is Euro. Okay, bye, thank you. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share and comment.